Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can archive all your Instagram posts at once. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first thing first, we have to go to our profile and we have to open the Instagram setting by tapping on those three lines. And right here, guys, we have to go to your activity. Okay, and we have to go to the content you shared right here, and you have to choose post. Okay, and these are the posts on my Instagram, and I'm going to archive all of those posts. If you want to do that, we can select all of the posts like this. You can tap and hold on the post, and you can choose one by one like this. Once you're done choosing your post, you can go to the archive option right here, guys. You just need to click on archive, and after that, all your Instagram posts will be archived at once automatically. Alright guys, and that's how we can archive all Instagram posts at once. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.